Hi guys, welcome to another video. So this video, I heard weird noise in Route 66. So I played with my friend Titan Robots. There, wait, no, there, and Route 66 had the weird noise, and that's really weird. So you can like us. Yeah, let's go and see the weird noise. It's like a weird noise. I don't know what it is. I'll let you hear the noise. Okay, I'm so scared. This noise is super creepy, guys. I don't know what it is, but tell me in the comments what is that weird noise. And let's figure out why this Route 66 had a weird noise in motel place. Let's go. Yeah. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and don't forget, tell me in the comments what is the weird noise sound. You guys might know that sound, but that's super weird. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.